This could be the car for you. The 2011 Honda CR-V. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.